Ever found yourself struggling with the intricate art of piping and decorating? It's a common conundrum, as maintaining consistency, precision, and neatness can be quite the challenge. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 tips that will elevate your piping and decorating skills. Tip 1. Practice makes perfect. To achieve precision in piping and decorating, consistent practice is paramount. It enhances the steadiness of your hand movements, making your designs more accurate and beautiful. Remember, consistency is key, so never underestimate the power of practice. Tip 2. Equip yourself with the right tools. The difference between a rose and a rosette, or a shell and a swirl, often lies in the piping tip you use. And don't forget the importance of sturdy, reliable piping bags. Remember, the right tools make all the difference. Tip 3. Maintain consistent pressure. When piping or decorating, keeping a steady pressure on your bag is crucial. This ensures your designs are neat and uniform, giving a professional finish to your baked masterpieces. Remember, in the world of baking, consistency is key. Tip 4. Find your proper positioning. Holding the piping bag at the right angle isn't just a suggestion, it's a game changer. It's like a compass guiding your design to perfection. Remember, the magic lies in the angle. Get the angle right, and you are halfway there. Tip 5. Temperature matters. The temperature of your icing is a silent player in the game of decorating. Too warm, and it's a runny mess. Too cold, it won't flow smoothly. It shapes your design subtly, yet significantly. Pay attention to temperature. It can make or break your design. Tip 6. Clean up as you go. A tidy workspace is essential for precision in piping and decorating. Wipe off excess icing, clean your tips, and keep your tools in order. A neat finish starts with a clean slate. Clean tools, clear mind. And finally, tip 7. Patience is a virtue. When it comes to precision in piping and decorating, rushing only invites mistakes and messiness. Embrace the process, savor each moment. Remember, it's a work of art, not a race. Take your time, let your creativity flow. That wraps up our top 7 tips for precision in piping and decorating. Remember, practice is key. Use the right tools, maintain consistent pressure, position properly, mind the temperature, clean as you go, and above all, be patient. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.